So myself, Rajendra Bhatt, I was basically a civil engineer. I joined DXN in 2001. Before joining DXN, I struggled a lot in construction field. So every day I used to travel more than 200 kilometers on bike. So sometimes I may get the food or not. So very tense job. Now that's why at that time God gave an opportunity to one great person. So now I am a DXN Executive Double Diamond. My team size is more than 20,000 people. Means more than 20,000 distributors are in our group. So customer wise, I don't know. So you can count it like minimum 5 for one customer means it costs more than lakh customers now. So every year I am giving a company offering me a free foreign trip. So I'm an entrepreneur about the DXN. We started DXN since so in 2021. Sorry, 2001 we started the DXN. I'm a company trainer and speaker. So you can contact me if any help you need through my phone or mail. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. So okay, so understanding the marketing panel here, wise consumerism. We have to discuss about this one now. Wise consumerism, what actually? We are all consumers. We are all consumers. We are actually every day we are taking buying some product. We are not cultivating all the things, no. So I am a arecanut grower and a coconut grower. So I don't have any rice paddy land. So no other grains, no vegetables. Everything I have to buy by the market only, and consumer product, beverages and all. I used to take some the products from somewhere in the market, the supermarket, or in a wholesale shop, or in a retail shop. No, okay. So we are all consumers, and the two types of consumers are there. Regular consumer. Uh, you are also consumer, no? You have to think. Regular consumer and wise consumer. There is a difference. And who is regular consumer and who is a wise consumer? Okay. So you see, are you a regular consumer? If you are a regular consumer, what you will do? You go to the supermarket. You take some money or the credit card or a phone pay, whatever is suitable for you. You will take the list and you are going to buy the products what you are needed. Okay. So then what will happen actually? You lose the money. Everyone lose the money after buying the product. No. So means what? We need the product. That's why we are giving money against our product requirement. Okay. Knows that these are expenses. These are it's not an income. No. 1 kg sugar or 3 kg dhania or 2 boxes of some chocolates or whatever it may be. These are all expenses. It's not an income for you. Okay. So use your monthly expenses to earn money. How it possible? See, every month you are spending more than depending upon the family size or our requirements, minimum 3 to 5,000 or 10,000, whatever it may be. Okay. So if you are ready to change your thinking, you can turn your expenses into income, regular income. How it possible? We'll check it. Okay. See, where is your grocery money going? No, you are buying the product. No, where is your money going? 40%. Of course, it's going for a manufacturer. Those who are manufacturing the toothpaste, soap, shampoo, oil, or nutritional things, talcum powder, whatever it may be, you are buying. No, 40% of the money of your money going to the market manufacturer, and remaining 60%. What will happen? Remaining 60% is going to the marketing field. Marketing means distribution channel, commissions, free samples, advertisements, and transportation and everything. No. So in really 6 rupee is lost for every 10 rupee you spent. Understand? No. You are spending purchasing 10 rupees product, but you are paying for only 4 rupees for the manufacturer. Remaining are shared by middlemen, means the mediators, advertisement agency and distribution channel, commissions, salary and all. Okay. So how can we avoid this? See, moreover here you can understand clearly here, understanding the marketing plan. Traditional marketing system is here, no? Okay, you can see here the factory, it starts from 4 rupees. Factory to it will come to the warehouse. After from dispatch going out from the warehouse, cost will be 5 rupees. Thereafter, from the wholesaler, 6 rupees. Sales agent 7, and stores retailer 9. Consumer, you are paying 10 rupees. These from warehouses to consumer, the middleman, warehouse retailer, they are taking 60% of our money. But whereas in DXN, DXN is our own company. We are one world, one market concept actually. One world, one market means we are the manufacturer, we are the cultivator, we are the distribution, we have our own distribution channel. Okay. So DXN factories in the Malaysia and India and many other countries. Okay. Cultivation. What the coffee, maybe coffee or tea. So we are the cultivation. We are taking from our own farmland. Okay. Somehow we are buying, but even though moreover we are manufacturing our own. Then factory is in our control only, our own factory. Distribution channel. Okay. Distributors also our own company distributors. Okay. So we are not giving any appointed any middlemen. No C&F. Okay, no retailer and no free samples, no salary, nothing. Okay, so we are all consumers. So directly DXN is going to give directly to the consumer or distributors. If you are a DXN consumer, you can avoid all these middleman's commissions and you can save your money. Then how can you get it? You check it. Okay, so where DXN money wants to go? DXN wants to uh, DXN actually going to pay back to you 60%. What you are going to give for some others, DXN is going to return back to you on cash discount, bonus points. You are all now wise consumers. You know everything. You are going to the big bazaar, or you are going to somewhere, you are going to the supermarkets, nearby shops and all. Okay, so you are getting some point, no? When you are taking the petrol bunk also, you are getting some earned points. On that point, every year you are getting the bonus. DXN is not like that. Every month company going to you giving you a bonus points on every purchase from first tarik to first date, first to 30th or 31st, wherever you want the product, wherever you are going to buy, company are giving you a bonus points, and company giving you a travel points also, and the profit sharing also. Here cash discount means, see, our DXN tea powder is, you can make one tea at the cost of only 1 rupee. Why? Because we are giving a box of tea. On that tea box you can make minimum 400 cups, 300 to 400 cups. Okay, so cost of the tea is 430 rupees, means nearly 1 rupee, or little higher than 1 rupee. You are getting 1 cup of tea. Okay, but you are company is giving you on discounted price 345, nearly 20% discount is giving, company giving it to you. And the bonus points, company giving you a bonus point of 135 on the purchase of 1 tea box. Bonus points going to accumulate from first to end of the month, and next month before 10th, company will send you a bonus on the accumulated points and travel points. Every month company giving you a travel seminar incentive points. Once in a year, company will arrange some travels, international travels and national travels, which is on which actually you won that point, you reach that level, company will take you to destination. Okay, then profit sharing, company is now in more than 200 countries. Today only our company founder told like that. So Zambia is going to launch DXN very shortly now. Okay, these are the places company doing the DXN business. No, but we are not doing the DXN business somewhere. We are doing the business in our own state or in our own country, or we are doing the business in some one or two countries only. But DXN is more than 200 countries. DXN is going to give you a profit sharing every month. Company in a profit ratio only, no loss, nothing. Why? Because we have our own factory, our own farmland. We are not wasting the money anywhere. That's why company earns a lot. Company will share you a profit on from along with you, sharing the profit. Okay, then international bonus points. International bonus points also there. These for travel seminar incentive points, international points. Okay, for every 10 rupee you spend, 6 rupees paid back to you. That's company wants to give you a 60% of the actual 60% or money company going back to you. So then what we have to do? How we can do this business? So simple. If you are a regular consumer, you become a wise consumer. You change the brand. That's all. Change. Suppose you are taking some other coffee, you start DXN coffee. You are taking some other chocolates. Right now we don't have any chocolate in India, so it's coming soon. You buy our product. Okay. Then suppose you are taking any fruit juices. We have a fruit one Morinda citrifolia juice. We have a Rosella fruit juice. So many more juices are coming to India. So you start taking from our branches. You change the brand. That's all. Then toothpaste. So we have amazing toothpaste. Words number one toothpaste we are having in three sizes is coming: 150 gram, 75 gram, and 40 gram. Which suits you? You can choose it. Then shampoo, bath soap, laundry soap, vitamins, minerals, etc. Okay. Now we recently launched a toothbrush also. So fantastic toothbrush. It's coming from Calcutta. Okay. So wise consumer, DXN discount club. You join DXN discount club means you are taking already DXN distribution ship. You got an international ID. On that ID, you go to our stock point, purchase the product, or you can book on DXN eWorld. One site is there. There you can book the product. Company will send you by courier to your directly to your home. From company to your home, directly company sending to you. So company, suppose you some restriction is there. Minimum criteria is you have to purchase minimum 1500 PV, means nearly 5000 rupees worth product, I think. So you check with your sponsors and your upline. Company will give you a free delivery, means you have to pay only for the product. Delivery charges borne by the company. Okay. Suppose you are not, see here, you are getting 6% to 37%. Suppose you made 30,000 points, means 1000 points you purchased 1000 point worth product. Company will give you on 37% bonus, 370 rupees bonus. Company giving back to you. Till today you are taking the coffee, tea, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, all from nearby stock points, nearby your shops, but you won't get anything. Here company is going to give you a 37%. Okay. Then okay, whenever you're going to buy the product, your points will be accumulated like the piggy box. When if you go buying more and more, you share the product with your friends and all, your bank will be increased, means your points in accumulating higher level. Then if it is you got a more point value, one fine day your purchase will be completely wave off from the bonus point you earn. Therefore, you can get a easy free product from the DXN, free groceries. It's possible. Okay. Then what we have to do? See, if you are a wise consumer, want to become wise consumer, what wise consumer do? Wise consumer teach others how to be wise. See, simply we are going and spending money. Here is a chance you can get back some amount. If you inform your friends, relatives, and your known unknown people. See, you are here. You introduce, you informed about this product and benefits to a number person A. He also took the benefit and he shared the benefit with the B. B shared the benefit with C. C is a very intelligent guy. He is spreading like anything. He informed more than 10 people. Everyone get the discount and everyone get the bonus point. Everyone is going to get the free product along. You also getting some bonus points from A, B, C, and C1, C2, C up to C10 whatsoever. So you are getting people that you don't know. See, I know Mr. Vijay. I know Manasa Health Point, but I don't know of our some of our they are friends, but they also buying the product, they also using the product. I am getting the bonus from sitting in a Sirsi. This is the beauty of DXN. That's why this link will be giving benefit to you. Okay, and company bonus. See, you can see here what are the benefits from the DXN. So if you become a you become a distributor of our company, you can get 20% retail. Okay, so one toothpaste you are getting on 20% discount. Soap you are getting 20, approximate 20, more or less 20% average. Bonus total 71% plus cash incentive you are going to get from the company. Group bonus is there. Second benefit, third benefit is group bonus 6 to 21%. It's accumulating. When your points accumulating from 1000 to 25,000, you are going to get 21%. Then star group bonus is 25 to 37%. Company will give you bonus. Development bonus. You are developing the people. They are earning bonus. From their earnings, company take earnings a little bit amount. No, company shares with you development bonus. International profit sharing. Earlier I told you, no, I am getting money from US. Here you can see along with us, Manasa Health Points, Mr. Srinath is there. He also getting the bonus from throughout the world. Actually, I am getting from Pakistan also. Yeah, I am getting from China. I am getting from Dubai. I am getting from Sri Lanka. See, the leadership bonus also there. Leadership means if you help the people to become a leader, those who earn the benefit, no, company share the benefit of from their leaders. How much benefits company earned, company shares with you. Then travel summer incentive points, one time cash incentive, one time overseas incentive. Total 9 type of income you are going to get from the DXN. DXN marketing fees, plans and benefits, 9 type of benefits, 24th ranking, rewards with every promotion. Whenever you got the promotion, you will become a next level, you get the promotion. Okay, then okay, suppose I will give an example here. So we have a best spirulina multivitamin tablets. This is containing 120 tablets. Its MRP is 515. Company giving you on discounted price 415. By purchasing the product, you will get 100 rupees retail profit. If you shared, if you sold any person, from one person, you will get 100 rupees. Suppose you promoted more than 10 people, means what? You earn 1000 rupees, 1000 retail benefit. Distributor until to retail profit, shorter income. Initial stage, our income is coming from the retail itself. That's why what we have to do, use the product, experience the benefit. If it is found good, you go on explaining the people, talk to people, simply you go on talking, go on explaining. That's all. Okay, so I will give a little bit example, one short example here. See here, Mr. Vijay, now you joined DXN in the month of August. So what you are going to do, you are going to purchase 3000 rupees or 1000 PV. Okay, this month what you are going to do, you have going to purchase 1000 PV. Okay, next month what you will do, you will appoint one person A. He also buying 1000 rupees, 1000 points. Then total how much? 2000 is there next month. And your September PV is yours 1000 PV, and your member A purchased 1000 PV, and your previous month August PV 1000. So then you cross 3000 PV. Same way accumulation will be there. 1000 PV, 3000, 10,000, 20,000, 32, like this accumulation will be there. Okay. So you are here. You introduce Mr. A introduced A1 and A2, A3. Likewise, you can introduce many people. Till today, I introduced DXN to more than 300 people. You believe it me or not? I introduced DXN business to 300 people. So many people quit. Why? Because they are not able to do this business. Why? Because they are not interested. But no problem. Some people will join us. Some people will do business. Some people will forever with us. So that's enough to become a millionaire. So we did the same. And other side, there is no left, right, and all. You can put unlimited distributors under you. Okay. I put 300. You can make 3000. No problem. On every expansion, you will get the bonus. Okay. See here. Here is the short plan. Now you are here. QSA 37%. You under you, 3 members become a star agent. You will be qualified as a star Ruby, 37%, 31%. Then 37, you appointed 6 distributors. We are giving the training from online, offline, whatever it may be. All the languages you can get the knowledges. Okay. So today I am giving English training. Tomorrow maybe Hindi, and some other day Kannada, or some other day Bengali. What are the language we can link to you? Okay. Like radio station, you want New Delhi radio, you can turn to New Delhi. You want to hear from Bombay, you can turn to Bombay. Okay. So Calcutta, it's possible. So go on introducing the people. These are the development stages: first level, second level, third level, fourth level. Till 5 generation levels will be there. 5 levels you will get the bonus. After that also it's possible. Okay. So company is ready to give you 12,500 rupees. Those who are completed 60,000 points, 3 distributors under them. Suppose, see, I am a Rajendra Bhatt. I sponsored 3 people. They become star agent by completing 60,000 group PV. You can see in the bottom. So they complete the 60,000. Company gave us sanction 12,500 for the mobile phone incentive. Company giving the cash only. We can purchase the telephone, cell phone, or we can keep it for our future, or you can for any benefits. We can company directly going to credit or bank account. That's all. So then overseas, what we have to do? You got the mobile phone freely. You explain the 5 people. If you are under 5 people got this one mobile phone incentive, company give you a 1 lakh rupee for a travel seminar incentive, as a travel incentive. You can keep with you money, or you can fly anywhere on your destination, dream destination. Okay. Then next, leadership bonus will be there. Once you become a star diamond, see, I am a star diamond now. From my group, more than 50 to 60 diamonds are there. So from their bonus, they are also getting the very good income. They are company getting many benefits from the distributors. Why? Because distributors spreading the health messages, company selling them, purchasing, distributors purchasing the product and distributor everywhere. No, company saves a lot of money. Company return back 40% is the company price, 60% shared to qualified customer. Those who are myself and my distributors and you all, we are all going to get the return of 60% of our purchase amount. Okay. See, what is the motivation factors to join DXN? That this we have very important slide for a better quality life. What is better quality life? By joining DXN, we are drinking the coffee, we are drinking the DXN tea. Okay, we are drinking DXN coffee and tea. So by drinking the coffee, we are getting the good health. Why? Because we are drinking DXN Ganoderma coffee. Ganoderma contains the polysaccharide, organic germanium, triterpenoids, adenosine. Okay, these are all the medicinal properties naturally in the Ganoderma. By drinking our Ganoderma coffee, our body will be healthy. Toxins will go out. Body system will be uh, rejuvenating. Our immunity will be improved. Okay, then the financial independence. This is very important one. Why the financial independence? How we can get the financial independence? By promoting the DXN product to a distributor. Many people, they are all going to buy the product when they need. They are drinking the coffee, they are taking the bath, they are brushing their teeth, they are applying the shampoo for their hairs. We are getting the bonus from the company. Company um, makes the profit. No, company share the profit with us. Why? Because we are all respected customers, wise consumers. We are all wise consumers. Quality spare time. See, we have almost everyone having 24 hours time, but we are wasting time some by seeing WhatsApp or any Facebook or some other jokes, silly serials, or simply by traveling here or there. Instead of doing that, you can invest the time on the people. You spare your time, means you save anywhere you save the time, no, your surplus time, you do DXN, you study DXN, you talk about the DXN, you share the knowledges. Okay, then the personality development. What is the personality development? You can become a speaker of the company, you can be a leader of the group. This is the personality development, so very nice. Who will taught us? For the personality development, you have to spend lot of lakhs together in fees. Minimum 5 to 10,000 for 1 or 2 classes they are taking, personality development class trainings. Here we are giving freely. Today we are discussing about the DXN business, and another day we are discussing about the dream and the communication skill and the public speaking skill and all. We are giving the trainings. You are all going to get the free of charges. You are getting these benefits and then leave a legacy. Yeah, see, my team more than 20,000 every month. Our team is going like anything, minimum 200 to 300 new joining will be there. So one day I have to go my return back to my home. On that time I am not take our leaders, I will not taking all distributors to along with me. They're all here only, they will be here only, they will drink the coffee, they will buy the soap, shampoo, and the company will pass on the benefit to my family members. This is possible in DXN. Whereas in other business, suppose you are a doctor, you are a lawyer, or you are any other shopkeeper, when you stop the business, when you stop the job, automatically your income will be cut off. Here network marketing lock like that, you are automatically company will send the bonus to your family, those who are nominated. Okay, this is called live a legacy. Yes, healthy value based relationship. Healthy, simply by taking the some other, we are taking some our friends to hotel, we are eating some spicy foods or junk foods. Here not like that. You call the people to your home, you share DXN tea and coffee, automatically their health will be improved, your relationship will be improved. System driven success through DXN already made it simple system. What we have to do, we have to follow the system, that's all. You just follow the system, automatically you will get the income. What are the system actually? System is like that. What we have to do, we have to change the few brands only. I am not forcing to change all the brand of the product you are using. You just simply change one or two. First you change the toothpaste, then you change the toothbrush, then change the coffee or tea, then take the change the soap or shampoo. That's all. You change only 3 to 4 product. Go on telling, that's all. Use the product, experience the benefit, share the knowledge. Simply one fine day, you will become a millionaire. Here, what we have to do, you buy the product, use the product, share the benefits or share the product, do it same for 3 years. What will happen, 30 years income you can get in DXN only in 3 years. Yes, I am sitting in Karnataka getting more than lakh rupee of income. How it possible? I'm in a very small town, but I am getting bonus from US. I am getting bonus from Dubai. How it's possible? Everywhere, dear, people are going to drink coffee or tea. I am encouraging them to. I will explain about the health product. If they want to buy good health, they will buy. Otherwise, no problem. I'm not investing the money. I'm investing the time. You just invest the time. Don't waste the time. So thank you much. Thank you very much, guys. On my invitation, you are all with me. So that's why I'm so happy. See you at the top. Thank you very much.